Yeah, babe. From the moment I met you, I knew I fall in love. Ever since I helped you open up that Mercedes, which I wish never opened because I wanted to spend that whole time with you. Every single day we grew together. We came from two different worlds, and now we're coming together, and we keep on growing. We've come from two different roads, and I've seen how strong, passionate, loving, and driven you are. I want to see you every single day for the rest of my life. I told you I want to give you all the happiness that the world has to give, and here we are. Will you marry me?
Yes.